Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to program the get the pager. And then at the first you have to into the programming mode and then choose the PID and press OK into the PID mode. Right now you can choose which number you want to program. For example, I want to program the 11 and then OK. Right now put the pager. Okay, 11. Twelve. 13. 14. And now I need to escape the programming mode. Press the AC key. Back and back. Right now I can press the number 11. Okay. 12. Or I can press the left key to choose the next number. 14. And then it's work. Thank you.